If you've been wondering whether D-Log is really worth using on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, this comparison might surprise you. In this video, I put D-Log and normal color profiles side by side in the exact same conditions to see how much flexibility each mode offers in post-production. By lowering the midtones and highlights, you'll clearly see how D-Log is able to recover a significant amount of detail in bright areas, while the normal profile quickly reaches its limits. This isn't a scientific lab test, just a practical real-world comparison that shows what happens when you start pushing the footage and editing. If you regularly shoot landscapes, sunsets, clouds, or other high-contrast scenes, the difference can be quite revealing. Watch the comparison and decide for yourself whether D-Log is worth the extra grading work. Personally, D-Log is one of the biggest reasons I love the Mavic 4 Pro. The ability to recover highlight detail and retain more information in high-contrast scenes makes a huge difference, especially when filming landscapes, mountains, and sunsets. Once highlights are blown out in normal mode, they're often gone for good. With D-Log, there's usually much more detail to work with in post. For me, that's one of the Mavic 4 Pro's greatest strengths, and the reason I shoot D-Log whenever image quality matters most. Thanks for watching, and if you found this test useful, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Fly safe, and I'll see you in the next one.